Okay, today is June 4th, and we've decided to get the boat out and actually sail, which is an unusual concept for a sailboat, isn't it? Anyway, here we are out in Bahia Almirante, which is Admiral's Bay. I think named after somebody with Christopher Columbus, probably. Take you out on deck here and show you the sails. This is Isla Colon, which is the island that has Bocas del Toro on it. This is sort of the west side of the island. We've got the sails out. We're only going about 5.5, 6 knots. So even though the wind on the microphone sounds like a lot, we're not moving too much, so you can see the water. I have no idea what I'm taking a picture of right now, but I'm not making all of these Oh, I'm queen of the world! Look back. Whoa, squeaky. So this is what it's like to sail in a lion. Line's not quite right. Beautiful day. There's a few clouds. Right now it's sunny. Getting decent wind. Our wind generator is just putzing along because it doesn't need to be charging. It's not really doing anything. Hang on, I'm going to turn you sideways again. You can see way out there, there's a beach. We're headed for that cut between the trees. There's another sailboat anchored out there. I doubt you can see it, but we're headed out to the ocean. Well, Caribbean. Close enough.